Hey, gorgeous. Okay, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to do, how to get your hair crimped in nice slight waves without adding any heat, and all you need is 2 pigtails, no brushes, no materials, no hairspray, no nothing. And so, let's get started. Okay, so this is going to be an overnight thing, and if you want the best results, you're going to want to take a shower. I already took a shower. And then you're gonna want to let it towel dry or air dry for about 2 to 5 minutes. I'm just gonna wanna fluff your hair out a little bit. Now, once you look like a Scooby-Doo monster, you're going to want to get to your scalp. Whoa. Wait. To your scalp, and then slightly divide your hair into 2 even or close to even sections. Then you're gonna want to tuck your hair behind your ear, grab your hair into 3 easy sections, and then this is the easy part. Just start braiding your hair. I'm trying to make it tight. Notice how I'm pulling on it. And then you can go, once you get down to the bottom, connect yours into 2, and then just start twisting that. Because at the bottom, you're going to want waved hair. And at the bottom, connect it into 1, and then twist. Then get one of your hair ties, I like blue. And then you just secure it in place with some of your hair ties. It's not gonna look fashionable. It's not gonna look like the best thing in the whole entire world. If you think it is, then great. But okay. Anyways, so to do the same processes to your other side. Why am I going like this? I have no clue. And then secure that one in place with a headband or a hair tie. What do I keep saying hairband for? And then there you go. Now, if you want to, you don't have to, be absolutely optional. You're going to want to go to the back. And this just gives it a more volume type look. And that just gets it out of the way of your hair when you're sleeping. And just wait 7 to 6 hours, and then I will show you guys what it looks like in the morning. Okay, I am back from my long nap. It's the next day, and my hair is dried. I still have my braids in. And as you can see, I look like an old crusty bag with all my hair sticking up and everything. But no problem. Okay, so first off, I want to say sorry about the lighting because it's 7:20 in the morning, and I woke up early for you guys. I'm supposed to be waking up at 7:30. But yeah. So let's take first, if you did the last part, which is the optional part, take out the hair tie that connected them. Then I accidentally took out the other one. Take out both of the other hair ties, and then start gently. You have to gently do this. Start to gently just pull it out. And then your hair should look a little something like this. I personally think this is a very cute hairstyle. You didn't have to do anything to your hair. All you had to do is have 2 hair ties or 3, and just all you had to do was know how to braid your hair. So I personally think this is really, really cute. But look, my nails, they're blue for my kickball tournament today. That's another thing. Unfortunately, it's a kickball tournament, so I'm going to put my hair back into braids, but I'm going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to leave a little bit left, more than I usually do at the bottom, so people could see the bottom all wavy. So yeah, that's what I decided to do. And I'll take pictures of my hair like this, and at the end of the video, I'll show you what I look like before I go to school, if I have enough time to. But, so yeah, stay gorgeous. My voice is all cracky. Is that even a